Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm here with another video. And today I'm opening box 2 of the Lego Christmas Advent Calendar. And I have the Lego Star Wars one. But it says 307 pieces, so let's just start opening it. Yesterday I got this one, which kind of looks like it's from the new Han Solo Star Wars movie. I think it's Han Solo's land speeder. Not too sure. But let's just start opening box 2. Oh, we got a character. So we have the torso. It's very detailed. We have the legs. And it has a little key card like thing there. It comes with this hair. And it comes with a head, which is double-sided. It has a happy face and a angry face. And then it comes with a gun. I think this one's from The Last Jedi. I don't remember her name, but I think it's from The Last Jedi. I know it's not Rey though, because the hair is different. Don't remember her name. It might be like Rose or something. Yeah. I'm not too sure. And it just slips in like that. And then at the back. And yeah, so this is so far in day 1 and 2. And if you know what her name is, comment down below. But I'm pretty sure it's Rose. So don't forget to tune in to see some other boxes being opened. So we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.